and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today I want to share with you this experience I had. I went to a honey farm, and right now you're not going to be able to see too much because it is basically winter, but I decided to take a drive to Pappaw's honey farm. All right, because it kind of reminds me of when I was a little girl. My dad, he used to have a lot of friends who were farmers, and we'd go to their farms and we would get different supplies. Sometimes it would be honey, sometimes it would be maple syrup, sometimes even meat. All right, so let me show you part of their website. This is one of their pages. Let me show you the other. So this is the website here, and I like this because they just kind of explain how you do things. Because here in Indiana, the Midwest, sometimes you can be driving along the road and you'll see like a little stand by a farmer's house where they're selling produce. And like if they're not home, then you can pull over and they have like a little cash box. You put the money in, and they usually keep change for about $20, so that you can get your own change. And most people, they abide by the rules and they do what they're supposed to do. Um, you know, and so that's why people do it. But you can see here they're explaining to you that they have two sets of doors. One side, the one on the right, is the place where they get do the honey, extract the honey. The other side is their little store, which we'll actually get to visit. Um, and so, like they said, the store's open when we are home, which is most of the time. But if we're not, and you want, like, you see there's one side that says eggs and the other side says honey, well, you just go up there and you put it in the cash box. And they actually have a small refrigerator for the eggs, you know. And then they said to call them or text at this number, which is what I did. So check this out. All right, so you can see here, I'm just like, hello, I see you sell honey. I'd like to pick up some today. Could I please get a price list? And I messed up, I meant so that I may have exact change. Thank you. And they asked what size you're looking for. I have change for anything you might have. Oh, I found the price list. I'm thinking the pint jar and maybe some honeycomb. I love making charcuterie plates with honeycomb. Okay, I will be heading that way in a few. Just want to take a drive and get some honey. I'm in Richmond. Okay, I'll be here. The price list is old. I haven't updated the website for a long time. I'm like, uh-oh. Wonder what's going to be. So I'm like getting a little nervous, but then it wasn't much more than the listed price. Um, and so it's $11 for a pint jar, and that's a good size. That's two full cups of honey. And then the honeycomb is $12 a pound, $6 for a half pound. Okay, so that's not bad at all, for honeycomb. So he said, I'll weigh it out. And it's a good thing I called ahead because he had to weigh it out and cut it and all that good stuff. And then I was like, great, I'll head out in about 15 minutes. And then I confirmed the address. I was like, thank you so much. And he's like, yep, that's the place. So that's when I headed there. And you're going to see me driving in just a minute. right here. I saw the pictures. You see it? See it? See it? Oh, they got a big old pool out back. This is a nice place.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay. So I'm going to pull on up. I'm going to take my braid out. Alright, I'm going to park. Guess I can park right here. Here we go. Alright, let me get out. So I'm on the front porch of where they have the honey. And so I'm sorry, what's your name, sir?
Gary.
Gary is here. It's got my honeycomb right there. I got the 20.
We'll figure that out in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the 8 ounce.
Okay.
And you say you're going to put this on a charcuterie board?
Mm-hmm.
This is all frozen right now.
Okay.
So I don't sell that much of it, so I keep it in the freezer so it doesn't crystallize. So
Yeah.
you just have to let it sit out.
Yeah, that's smart. Because it don't last long.
When you put that on a charcuterie board, it's gonna when you take this wrap, the plastic off, it's gonna leak. There's gonna be honey, and you get on the charcuterie board, there's gonna be honey come out.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be sticky.
Yeah.
So okay. I want to be sure you didn't.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's cute. I love this little place. You built this yourself?
No, I had it built. You know, but I built the shelving, or those are honey boxes that I painted and put the shelving. And we made this out of honey boxes.
Oh, that's
table.
nice. Okay.
You wanted a
Pint.
pint. That's this. They're 11.
Yeah.
That's 8. No, 6. I am going to put this in a separate. 6, 14, 11, 17.
Yep.
We've got beehives out, and most of them are out at Doherty Orchard. We have 2 locations at Doherty Orchard, 11 and 6 and 17. And I've got another friend who has an orchard, and he wanted pollination there. That's where our hive. We used to have 80 hives at one time.
Oh, wow.
But I'm kind of cutting back. So now we've got maybe 20.
Okay. All right, so I got my honey and my honeycomb. And I'm going to head back home. I got my stuff in the back seat. Okay. Hopefully I saved myself enough room so I can just turn around like so. Sure I don't leave his walkway. That's one thing you don't want to do, is roll in people's grass. Mess it up. They got a nice place though. Look at the cement work. I think I could take my mask off now. I had both my mask and goggles on. Oop, let's make sure nobody's coming. Alright, now it's back to Richmond.
Alright, y'all, so I got my honey and my honeycomb. I'm actually going to put this in the freezer until like a day before I'm ready to do my charcuterie board. Because, yeah, it's still frozen. And then we got the honey here. And so that's exciting, you know, that I went out and got my own honey. Okay, well, not literally, but, you know, to get it from directly from the farmer. It's just really special, you know. Alright, so thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.